Tucked away in the heart of Almeria's Old Town, there's a place where travel stops feeling like a trip and starts feeling like home.
The breeze feels free.
Welcome to Casa Vicki, a restored historic house full of charm, light, and character.
We slow down.
3 bedrooms, 3 moods.
Let the sunset lead.
Designed for travelers who value authenticity, comfort, and culture.
You arrive and so
A cozy lounge, a private terrace, a fully equipped kitchen. Every space invites you to settle in, slow down, and live the moment.
keep warm and near.
Whether you're planning a beach escape, a tapas tour, or a cultural deep dive, everything starts here in the heart of Almería. Watch a movie under the stars, grill your dinner, take a siesta after the city buzz. At Casa Vicki, your stay becomes your own rhythm. Casa Vicki isn't just a place to stay. It's your home base, your quiet joy, your Almería. Book now at CasaVicki.com and come live it for yourself.
We stay. Let the sunset